when the 18 and up, triple the traverse engine filter. The engine filter is held by 6 Phillips screws, right? All around. Let's take them off. And you pick it up. Doesn't look too bad, but the customer wanna change it. Whatever. Use the part number for it. And use the new filter. New filter is in. Let's screw those things in and should be good to go. And that's how we do it, guys. See you on the next one. And don't forget to reset it on the screen. While I'm at it, I'm gonna reset it, show you. You put the current accessory mode. There you go. You hit the arrow down for the engine air filter life. There you go, air filter life. And you hit the check button. Reset. Yes. And that's it. And there you have it, guys. See you on the next one.